Hello everyone, we would like to introduce our submission paper for the workshop. Humans frequently manipulate cables in daily life. Here is an example of USB cable insertion. Consists of multiple primitive of Dexterous cable manipulation with our hands. We first introduce our multi-finger hand inspired from an open source leap hand. The new hand has two designs that are specially suitable for cable manipulation, a dual thumb and rotatable fingertips. Since the hand is symmetric with two thumbs, direction-sensitive tasks which typically require different policies for human-like hands can now be executed with a single policy. Rotatable fingertips offer additional manipulability like Z-axis rotation in the air without slipping or dropping. To collect demonstrations on the non-anthropomorphic hand, we use two demonstrators to drag the hand's fingers to record the joint trajectories to perform dexterous and accurate demonstrations. We only collect one successful demonstration on cable A and test the demonstration on 6 different cables. The cable is randomly initialized across the yellow dashes. We first test on 8 short-term primitives on 6 different cables. Test on 4 long horizon manipulations. We want to push forward the manipulability boundary on exploring those difficult dexterous manipulations that few explored before. Our in-progress work includes dexterous cable manipulation taxonomy, autonomous policy, and more generalization ability.